Ever wondered what an immediately invoked function expression or an IIFE is in JavaScript? Well, you're about to find out. An IIFE is a function that is both defined and invoked immediately after its creation. Picture it as a self-contained bubble of code that executes on the spot and doesn't leave any trace in the global scope. How do we craft this little marvel? Let's break it down. Here's the basic structure of an IIFE. We start with an anonymous function expression enclosed within parentheses. This is what it looks like. Function. Oh, now what's going on here? Function. This part of the code is an anonymous function expression, nestled cozily within parentheses. The parentheses wrapping around the function declaration are the guardians that ensure the JavaScript parser treats it as a function expression, rather than a function declaration. The difference is crucial because function expressions can be invoked immediately, unlike function declarations. And what about those trailing parentheses, you ask? They're the magic dust that immediately invokes the function expression. This pair of parentheses at the end of the function expression makes sure the function is executed right after it's defined. Scene script. But what can we do inside this IIFE? Well, pretty much anything you can do in JavaScript. You can declare variables, define functions, and perform any JavaScript operations you need. Consider this example. Function var x equals sign 10, console log inside IIFE x. In this case, x is a variable declared inside the IF. Its existence is limited to the scope of the IF. It's like a secret agent working undercover. Output. IIFEs have earned their place in JavaScript for a variety of reasons. They create private scopes, prevent naming collisions, and manage variable scope. However, with the advent of modern JavaScript features like block-scoped variables, let and const, and modules, the usage of IIFEs has somewhat declined. But they still hold relevance in certain contexts. So to wrap things up, an immediately invoked function expression is a way to encapsulate code and avoid polluting the global scope in JavaScript. It's like a secret mission that executes instantly and leaves no trace behind. It's a powerful tool, and now you know how to wield it. Congratulations on adding another skill to your JavaScript arsenal.